how to set up emotes-only chat in Twitch in your mobile. So guys, in this quick video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, you need to simply open Twitch app. After that, you need to click on profile pic. Here you will see home, about, clips, video, schedule, and also on top stream manager. So simply click on stream manager. After that, you will see a lot of icons where you need to simply click on that sixth one, like the speed one. Once you click on that, you will see a lot of icons. So you need to simply click on second one, the emoji one. After that, it will say emotes-only chat. Only emotes can be seen in chat. Once you click on turn on, it will be on, and in your stream chat, there will be only emotes. Like no one will send any type of message without emotes. Thanks for watching.